Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. Thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about the most essential verbs for beginners. And let's start with the first one. Sit down. Sit down. جلس. Next one is stand up. Stand up. وقف. Move on to the third one. Here we have يمشي, which is in English walk. Walk. Next one is read. 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 In Arabic يقرأ. And here we have verb run. Run. يجري. Move on to the next one. Wait. Wait. ينتظر. And here we have verb talk. Talk. يتحدث. Next one, ride. Ride. Ride means يركب أو يمتطي. And here we have Robin rides a bike. Simply, Robin rides a bike. Robin rides a bike. Robin rides a bike. يمتطي أو يركب روبن الدراجة. Next verb is play, and it's very popular, so يلعب. Let's see the uses of this verb. So what we have here, John plays the guitar. Nice. John plays the guitar. John plays the guitar. In Arabic يلعب جون بالجيتار. Next use of the verb is so the picture talks, and here we have Charles plays basketball. Charles plays basketball. Charles plays basketball. In Arabic يلعب تشارل كرة السلة. And here there is a woman standing up, and the verb is think. Think. يفكر. And take يأخذ. here is the sentence. Julian takes a selfie. Julian takes a selfie. Julian takes a selfie. In Arabic يأخذ أو يلتقط جوليان صورة شخصية له. And move on to the next one. Let's see what we have here. Leo takes his umbrella. Leo takes his umbrella. Leo takes his umbrella. So in Arabic يأخذ ليو مظلته. Now verb listen. Listen. يسمع أو يستمع. So here we have a man put in headphones. His name is Alfred, and here is the sentence. Alfred is listening to music. Alfred is listening to music. Alfred is listening to music. And in Arabic يستمع ألفريد إلى الموسيقى. Again, here is the last verb, jump. Jump in Arabic يقفز. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share if you like the video, and goodbye. Enjoy your time and catch up soon.